You are witnessing both a traditional oil change and a convenient, eco-friendly oil change side by side. This revolutionary yet simple process of changing your oil is made possible by replacing the standard oil plug in your BMW with a clean oil drain plug. This plug protects your oil pan plug from stripping and leading to costly repairs. Our Circle BMW mobile service unit will arrive at your home or office, and our BMW-trained technician will change your oil wherever you are. This unit is self-sealing, so there is no residue left on your vehicle or in your driveway or garage. While the typical oil service requires the technician to use chemicals and rags to rid your vehicle of residual dirty oil, the clean oil drain plug is safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Your old oil is removed and disposed of according to EPA guidelines, and you are good to go. The clean oil plug can be installed on most new and pre-owned BMWs before you take delivery. Already enjoying your BMW? We can install it at your home or during your next service appointment. For a limited time, we are offering the unit and installation for only $199. Please contact Circle BMW today to take advantage of this offer while it lasts. You will wonder why you ever changed your oil the old-fashioned way.